Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create poll on Snapchat very quickly. Now guys, do you want to engage your friends in interactive polls on Snapchat? Maybe to gather opinions or to spark conversations. Now you want to stick to the end of this video to see exactly how you can do this in few easy steps. Now the first thing is to go over to your Snapchat and open the application. Now for this you can either capture your snaps immediately or you can use an already existing picture. So for me, I'm just going to capture a snap. Now capture a snap by tapping on the capture button. The capture button is the circular button you see before you can start using your filters. Now you want to tap on the capture button, and as you can see, I've captured an image. Now for you to be able to add your polls, all you need to do is to click on the sticker button. It's at the right hand corner of your screen, and then over here guys, you're going to see an option that says poll. Now you want to tap on poll, and you can then go ahead to type in any questions you would like to gather opinion on. Now after typing your questions, you can also edit the emojis you would like to represent the answers. You can then go ahead to post or to send the snap to your friends, and this is exactly how you can create polls very quickly on Snapchat. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.